So you might be in a position where you want to go ahead and actually fix iPhone microphone.
However, make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process.
If your microphone not working on your Apple device, I will go actually show you some couple of things you can do if your microphone not working on your iPhone. So the first thing is go always settings and check updates. You just open up settings, scroll down and find general. Proceed to general and then tap on software update and check for update. If here says download and install, you should do it. Just download and install new software for your device. Second solution is just turn off and turn on back your device. Third solution, from main settings, scroll down and find accessibility. Then proceed to accessibility and here you will see voice control. And you should disable voice control. As you can see, toggle is off. If you see voice control enabled, just disable it. Alright. Next step, go back to accessibility and scroll down. Here you will see audio and visual. Proceed to audio and visual and here you will see it says phone noise cancellation. Just swipe the slider to the left side, disable this option and again you should turn off and turn on your device. Go always settings and we should reset all our settings. You just go to general, scroll down, in very bottom you will see transfer or reset iPhone. In some different version says like different, but just press on last second option on this general menu and here tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.